I'm cooking 7 p.m. dinner time. This is sweet potato leaves salad. See? It's yummy. Let me try. To mix sweet potato leaves salad. Sweet potato leaves for making salad. The water, so we need to add the kamote tops. It's cooked already. Cooking sweet potato leaves salad and juice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and like. Shout out to all followers.